I have in-ground pool lighting issues. I have a PAL PCR 4 lighting system, without Wi-Fi, that I cannot get to come on. I have power to the unit but the remote will not turn the lights on. I bought a new remote and that did not help. I replaced one of the LED lights and that did not fix the problem.
I need to confirm that you are using your iPhone or other as the remote. Or do you have a handheld RF remote?
Handheld remote. Not iPhone.
Is there a code number on the inside battery compartment? And confirm you put in new batteries.
I'll look when I get back in town and yes, several new batteries. I know there's a way to reset the code but I don't have any instructions.
I need you to get code on the remote and the code number inside the box. They should be the same, but just let me know. I have the instructions in my file somewhere.
There is no code in either remote. The original or the new remote.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.